this in the morning time that this video is gonna drop at midnight. I predicted this already, and y'all thought I was capping. Now that it's dropping within 40 minutes, what do y'all have to say now? What do y'all have to say now? I predicted it right. I'm actually kind of lucky. I don't know how I predict this. I really don't know how I predicted it, bro. Look how y'all calling me on Discord. Like, it's crazy how many people are calling me on Discord. What's up, everybody? My bad. I deafened myself, y'all. My bad.
Oh, okay. That's
Rain.
Like 2 minutes whenever it's
I'm tired. I'm tired, little Timmy's. Little Timmy's, I'm tired. What if I just go to sleep and then the new episode just drops? What are y'all doing? Y'all gonna yell in my ear?
No. Hey.
We're gonna scream at you in your comments.
Yeah.
We're not screaming ears.
And then,
If y'all screaming ears, that's because I'm interrupting eardrums.
Guys, go to the CC5 premiere. Somebody just donated $500 on the premiere.
That's crazy.
Rainy. Wait, what?
Somebody
Donate.
donate that
So
$500.
like not on Rainey's channel. I'm talking about the premiere on the.
Yeah, somebody donated. If whoever donated money to me is W's. But y'all ain't donating money. Y'all don't want to donate to Rainy.
He didn't even say that much. He just said
Never mind that. There's the goat. They're actually the goat.
Someone did.
Wait a minute.
They just
in the
donated.
background.
Who Team Titans, bro?
I'm Team Titan. I am on Team Titans.
Team Titans.
This is my impression of THX Titan TV.
I'm putting
Everybody
Skibidi verse has the most realistic.
I still have to make my thumbnail for the video. I had to make my thumbnail still. Y'all know that, chat.
Do it. Can we see the thumbnail after you're done?
Should I make it on? I should make it right now. I should make it.
Make it. You should make it on. Yeah, well.
No, I don't trust y'all, bro. I can't show y'all, bro. I can't trust some of y'all in the stream to do that.
Wow.
Y'all L-mans. Y'all some L-mans. Some of y'all L-mans in the chat.
Wow, you do us like that?
Yeah, I'm doing y'all like that. Some of y'all some of y'all little hackers, you little bro.
Y'all, everybody be quiet. I'm gonna do my own.
For real though, I can't even get him wrong for that.
Y'all, I'm gonna do my own impression of THX. Everybody be quiet so I can do my own.
I know a bunch of people are L-man.
L-man.
Okay,
Guess what? Somebody call me L-man.
I'm making. Matter of fact, once I'm done, I'm gonna show y'all my thumbnail.
Somebody call me L-man because I didn't give him
Guys.
Bro, what is y'all doing? Y'all sound like y'all finna blow up. Like what?
We doing THX.
Yeah.
Where's little Timmy?
I'm doing THX.
Little Timmy is not here. Little Timmy is asleep, bro.
I think somebody.
Little Timmy.
Y'all make poor Timmy mad.
Bro, you sound like ambulance, bro. Like, why do you sound like that, bro?
We're sounding
like a fire truck.
THX.
You sound like a fire truck, bro.
Like you gotta listen to it. You gotta listen to it all. 3, 2, 1.
No.
Bro, you sound like a tornado warning. Bro, you sound like a tornado warning, bro. That's what you sound like.
What is this Goofy?
You sound Goofy Goldberg, bro. Everybody comment Goofy. Everybody spam Goofy Goldberg. Goofy Goldberg. Goofy Goldberg.
Jet tripping.
I'm making a thumbnail right now, chat. If y'all curious what I'm doing right now.
This dude is serious.
I'm gonna show y'all a thumbnail once I'm done. And y'all gonna ask me if it's a W thumbnail or not. Let's be honest right now. We don't lie.
Actually, you pronounced something wrong. All your thumbnails are actually a W.
Actually,
No, this thumbnail right here is gonna be a real W.
Oh my god!
I know, right?
Missy. Right
It's
now.
gonna be more of a W than a word W.
Thumbnail.
Oh my gosh! Messy is putting on the video right now. It smells so stinky. Oh my gosh! It smells so stinky.
Bro, what are y'all talking about, gang? Stop spamming! Bro, I lose my mind. Stop spamming, gang.
Rainy, Rainy,
What's up?
It seems like
Stop spamming, bro. Chill out, bro. I'm gonna lose my mind, bro.
Jump, Jamal.
Bro,
everybody calm down.
let him
Calm
keep
down, bro. Let me
Everybody calm.
cook.
Can you know?
Chill, Jamal.
Let him
Jamal, calm down, Jamal. It's okay, Jamal.
Annoying.
It's annoying,
Oh my
Jamal.
gosh,
Stop, Jamal.
Missy
Stop,
Missy
Jamal.
is pooping
Bro,
on the
chill, Jamal.
toilet.
let my man
Ew, it's so
Yo, Rainy,
stinky.
don't worry
Stop
about checking the phone
pooping
because I'm
on the
checking the screen
toilet. Ew, it
with
sounds
I'm
so
checking the premiere
stinky.
it's just sitting right there. We have 34 minutes by the way.
Everybody, I'm finna show y'all my thumbnail. I want y'all to know if it's a W thumbnail or L thumbnail. Be real, bro. I'm finna show y'all.
Okay.
Can you also Alright.
I'm finna show everybody the stream, my thumbnail.
P.U. Kissy,
Alright, bet.
Missy, and Poppy playtime are
Yo, I
pooping
feel
on
bad
the
for the people on
toilet.
stream because they gotta see
Ooh,
the
it's
delayed
so
stream.
nasty.
It's
Bro, what are you saying, bro? Chill out, bro.
Yo, I
Kissy,
can't hear
Missy, and
everyone, so like
Poppy
I don't know
playtime are
like
pooping on
he's
the
really talking.
toilet.
Bruh.
Ew, it smells so nasty.
We got Mangmar.
What?
We got Patrick
Bro, what
Wizard.
kind of shit? Y'all be
Actually,
look,
We got the
look,
biggest
look.
bird.
Y'all be drinking
I can't
prom.
see your shit.
All y'all in this
We got
chat, y'all drink
Ruckman.
prom, don't y'all? Y'all drink prom because
We
that's why
got
y'all act
Ruck.
like that. Y'all stop
I
drinking
drink
I
prom.
never
We got
tried
Stop
prime in
drinking
my
prom.
life.
Ruckman.
Stop.
I
we
don't
got
drink
Ruckman.
prime. Stop saying I drink prime. Only drunk.
Bro, you drink prom. Chill
I
out,
think
bro.
Prime is
No,
Wait,
I've only drunk
I'm gonna
prime
put
once because
Ruckman
of
still for
height.
a minute. Hold up.
I never
Like,
tried
calm down.
prime.
I even do anything to you.
Bro,
Stop
Jit
drinking prom. Who
tripping.
drunk prom before? Be real with yourself.
I never
I'm
drunk
real.
prime.
Only, well, I
Can I
only
show
drunk it.
everyone? Can I show you guys something?
The thing is, I only drunk it
Okay.
once because of
Okay,
height.
here we go.
33
I never
minutes.
drunk prime.
That's the only reason, because I drunk it,
Man, hold on.
and it tasted mad disgusting. It tastes like sewer water. And then I saw
Ugh.
32 minutes.
Sewer
And then I
water.
saw what sewer water tastes like.
bro,
How do you
that
know what
shit
sewer
don't
water?
taste like water.
Prime.
Don't I know what sewer water tastes like?
Can everyone?
Bro,
Can anybody see my screen?
I'm finna show y'all my
Anybody
thumbnail.
see my screen?
Alright, show
Can
us.
anybody see my screen?
No, bro.
no, I don't want to see it. I'm
Wait,
on.
can you
also
I'm
show it on
anyway.
Discord?
You know, I'm gonna just tell you guys.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, so
Hold on.
yeah, Jeff,
Boy,
32 minutes. Yeah, 32 minutes.
Is this a W? Is this a W thumbnail? Chat W.
W.
Let me see.
Is
I'm
it
gonna
a?
see.
Is that a W thumbnail?
I can't see.
Where? I
You're
don't
gonna
see
get
it.
my game cracked.
Oh, it's loading. Don't end
Wait,
it.
it's on Discord. My bad.
No, it's
Where's
not on
the
Discord.
thumbnail?
It's on live. It's on
You.
live. It's on live. It's on live. It's on live.
Hey,
It's on live. Is it a W
It's on
thumbnail?
live?
Yeah.
Bro, chill out, Jamal.
Is
Oh,
this a?
I can't see.
Jamal, drill.
Is that a W thumbnail, chat?
It's a W thumbnail. Look
let me
at your
see.
lips. I just want to
W.
feel on your lips. Oh
Oh,
my
I see it
What?
god.
now.
I'm finna, bro. Chill out with that sus stuff, bro. Chill out, bro. We don't do that, bro.
Your lips are
Oh,
so
what's the I didn't
shiny.
do nothing.
I
Bro,
can
if
I'm
you
see
gonna
it
be
to the
honest
back
at the
of your
W.
chill
throat.
out,
Oh,
bro.
W thumbnail, W
I
thumbnail,
can
W
be
thumbnail.
you.
Would y'all click that thumbnail? Bro, what the heck?
W thumbnail.
Oh, it's in my head. Ah.
Yeah, check.
Your lips are
That's a
so
W thumbnail.
shiny.
Okay, I'm gonna save it then. I'm gonna have to save it then.
Oh my god, bro.
I'm finna save the thumbnail then. All right, so at least I got me a thumbnail for
31
the new.
minutes.
At least I got a thumbnail for the new
Nigger.
episode. Oh yeah, you gotta chill out. You can't say that word, bro. Chill out,
30
bro.
minutes.
You're
Whoa.
so bad.
Whoa, what do you say? What do you say?
Hey, I'm banning him. I'm banning him.
Oh yeah.
What in the
That's it.
What in the
flush?
skippity toilet are y'all
Skippity
doing?
toilet.
Bro,
What in
calm
What in
down,
the
Jamal.
What
skibbity
in the
toilet?
skippity toilet?
Bro, bro.
Skibbity dum dum
Hey,
bucket, skibbity double the beat, skibbity dum dum bucket, skibbity double
hey,
the
we getting lit.
beat, everybody skibbity skibbity skibbity, everybody skibbity skibbity skibbity.
Hey, skippity nop nop nip nip nip. Skippity nop nop zip zip. Nip it, nip, 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 nip.
See,
How much money do y'all think I have in my bank account, chat? How much money do y'all think I have in my bank account? Just say how much money I got in my bank account. I want to
How
know.
much do you have in your bank account?
How much? Chat. Who can guess how much money I got in my bank account, chat?
A million.
You said a million. Chat. How much money y'all?
A million.
How much y'all got in my bank account, chat? I don't think nobody knows. Not nobody. Nobody in the world know how much money I have in my bank account.
it's mad.
Hey, 190K. I might. The key word in life is act broke. That shit.
No,
100K.
29 minutes.
I got 100K
29
in my bank
minutes.
account. He said 4,500.
1%.
Bro, 500 or 600K. Damn. He said 500K. Bro, we got a cat on the screen. What is you doing?
Hey,
Look at that
million.
cat.
1 million.
Look.
1 million.
Look, the cat's on the screen. Look. Hey, 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 hey.
Hype and chat.
Hey, you on live stream? You on the stream? You know you on stream? You on stream?
It's a woman.
It's a woman. Bro, what kind of cat? Why the cat is smiling?
Oh my
Why the cat
god.
smiling like that? What is wrong with that cat? Why is the cat smiling?
65 episodes just
What's
released.
wrong with that cat, chat?
No, it did not.
Bro, what's wrong with that
Yes,
cat?
it is.
Like
I
an
got
ad.
notification.
Skippity knock knock nip. W
28.
cat in
Oh
the
my
stream.
god.
W
If I checked it, you're
W
lying.
cat. W cat in the stream.
Hype.
Yo, that cat was
so tired.
What? I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm
28
tired.
minutes.
28
No,
minutes.
you can't fall asleep on us.
I'm tired. I'm sleepy.
27 minutes.
Tired. I'm sleepy. I'm
30
tired.
27
minutes.
minutes?
It comes in 27
Bro, we gotta
minutes.
get 123,000 subscribers, bro. We have to.
Oh, it comes in 27 minutes.
I'm not scared of Gators, bro.
Let's get him to the goal.
Yo, I can't wait, bro. It comes in 27 minutes. Let's go, WW.
Everybody spell W in the
Guys,
chat.
like and subscribe.
Bro, why you play CG?
Hey, who playing that fire music? Okay.
Rainy.
Turn that music down, bro. Chill out.
Bro,
Turn it
send
down. No
CG5.
free promotion, bro. Chill out. No free promotion, bro. We don't do that in this chat, bro. No free promote music in here, bro. We don't do that. We don't do free promos for music. How are you sleeping? Bro, I'm sleeping very. I'm not going to sleep today, bro. I'm just letting y'all know. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Sup, king? I'm not a king, bro. I'm just a human. Alexander, what's up? Maxwell is a goat, y'all. I'm making everybody mods, but who gonna watch my skippity toilet reaction? Raise your hand. Like it's like a reason why would you not watch a Rainy TV reaction, bro? Bro, this new skippity toilet is gonna be so good, bro. Y'all understand? After I drop this reaction, I might get retired at this video, bro. I might get retired. No, I'm just playing. Imagine me just do one reaction and just retire right after. It's crazy. The fight is in premiere. I can't wait, bro. I'm just so excited, bro. Bro, I did not cap, though. I literally did not cap about nothing I said, bro. I literally said Skippy Toilet is gonna drop in an hour, and then next I know, he just coincidentally. I ain't gonna lie, he probably seen that I was posting on my channel. He just said, man, let me just premiere this, bro. Let me just premiere it at this point. He said, let me premiere it. He seen Rainy TV streaming. The football said he already got fans waiting. Let me just premiere this right now, bro. Boom. I can't wait, dude. I cannot wait, chat. Do you know? I don't know who that person is. I can't wait to do this reaction, chat. Hopefully, in this reaction, we get over 500,000 views for the first time. That's what I'm aiming for. I'm aiming for 500K, probably a million. I'm aiming for 1 million views on this new Skibbity Toilet video. I'm really aiming for that many views, bro. I'm aiming for that many. 1 million views. They already got 142,000 people waiting. 142,000 people are waiting for the new episode. That's crazy, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it, man. Bro, I love y'all, bro. Y'all lit, bro. Skippity nop nop nip nip nip. Skippity nop nip nip nip. Skippity nop nop. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go back to the what's call it? The Discord.
Oh yeah.
Hey, can y'all turn the music down, chat? Everybody turn it. Why y'all got your cameras on, little boys?
Left the server.
I would have just kept running. I would have just kept running in the rain, dude.
Turn it.
Rainfall, you missed the food.
Bro, all these little boys got their cameras on. Look at this little
Okay,
boy right here. This little
Yo,
boy.
can I say a prediction? Can I say a prediction?
Rainy.
What's up, bro?
Rainy.
Can I say a
I
prediction?
said Superman punching the Skibbity Toilet.
23 minutes.
What's up, bro? Oh, that's the prediction.
Wait,
Oh, he got the puppet. Oh, he got the toy.
Bruh.
He got the toy, bro. He got the toy.
You missed the food.
Oh, that's a prediction right there. The puppets.
There's toys reviewing here, boy.
Okay, my prediction is that the
You missed the
whatever
food. You just saw
photo
it.
is on episode 65 with the scientist and G-Man, it does not look good. But I have a
They're
feeling
gonna do something with the
I have-
scientist.
I don't know if you guys. This is my opinion, but I have a feeling Giant TV Man's returning this episode.
Oh my gosh!
23 minutes.
What's wrong with this kid right here, bro? Bro, he like that kid from Up. Bro, what is wrong with you, dude? With your hair, bro? Like, why'd you so happy, bro? Like, what is wrong with you, bro?
Bro,
What is going on? Like, this like happy hour?
bro, happy life. What are you doing?
He's crazy. He does drugs. 23 minutes.
What?
Wait, is that the food? Hold on, wait. Bro, that's the food. No, wait. That's the
Bro, what the heck? Bro, what the heck is going on, chat? This kid is possessed, bro.
He's on.
Bro, this is possessed.
Everybody join the Discord and see who can do the best dance. Let's see who. Everybody join the Discord VC and see who can do the best dance right now, chat.
How do I turn on my camera?
I'm a cash app everybody who do the best dance. Look, I'm a cash app whoever do the best dance. Yeah, whoever can do the best dance, bro.
Nigger.
Oh, who's saying that? Chill out, bro. Jigger. He said jigger. He said jigger, y'all. Freak is going on. That's why I can't have people on Discord, bro. People are weird. Who said that? Who said that, bro? Chill out. Who said that? Who said that? I'm banning them automatically. Who said that? I can't be doing that, bro. I'm on stream, bro. You cannot do stuff like that, bro. You can't. Bro, what the heck? This man is. Bro, look at this man. Bro, what? Chad, look. What? Chad! What is this? Chad! What is this, Chad?
Oh my. Rainy.
What? I'm out. This kid is something's wrong with this, bro. I'm out, Chad.
Oh my. No.
Boy, what are you doing over your head, that greedy boy? What are you doing, boy?
Rainy, are we still able to do the dance?
Bro, the dance for the money? I don't even think I should do that. I don't think because people are acting crazy, bro. Because people are acting crazy, bro. Dance, bro. Red shirt, bro. Dance, bro. Do your dance moves, bro. Hey, he getting sturdy. Hey, he getting sturdy. He getting sturdy. Hey, get it. Hey, okay. Hey, he going crazy. Hey, nobody can dance better than him. We winning right now. He went red shirt winning.
Fan, bro.
You a big fan? Hey, I shout out to you. Hey, red shirt is winning, bro. Who can dance better than him, bro? Red shirt is winning right now, chat. Who can dance better? What about you, bro, with the space Saturn shirt on, bro? Dance, bro. Let's see your dance moves, bro. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's go. Hey, he going. He doing the Fortnite dances. Okay. Oh, who winning? Him or red shirt, chat?
Who's excited for the new episode? Rainy, can I do the dance?
Yeah, do the dance. Everybody can do a dance. Red shirt winning right now. Red shirt winning. Hey, red shirt go crazy. Okay, let's go.
But who's gonna win?
So cool.
Who's
Go.
gonna win? Who's gonna win?
Red shirt is winning right now. Red shirt is
Mini
winning.
cooler or the two titans? Oh,
Rainy, let me.
19 minutes. 19 minutes.
19 minutes.
Let me dance.
All right, let me see you, white shirt. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go, bro.
Rainy, I'm gonna dance.
All right, dance, bro. Dance, white shirt. White tank top. Dance, white tank top. Dance, bro. Dance, bro.
Whoa, Rainy.
Bro, why your shirt like that, bro? Chill out, bro. The tank top, bro. You gotta chill out with your shirt like that. Get chat. I love your videos and I'll subscribe. Thank y'all. Bro,
Rainy,
what
can I
the
do my dance?
Bro, look at this. Bro, look at this man. What is going on, chat? Chat! What is going? Everybody make sound effects. Make sound effects, y'all. Make sound effects. Everybody put sound effects. Spam sound effects, y'all. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Place a $100 bet.
Bro,
What's up?
hey, he going crazy. Hey, okay. Hey, he gets 30. Oh, hey.
Nah, bro, getting sturdy.
Wow, wow, wow. Boom, boom. Wow, wow, wow. Boom, boom. Bro, let's get 100.
Almost there.
Chat, let's get 123,000 people on the stream. Let's get 100. Let me go use the restroom or something, chat. Which let me cover my thing up, bro, cause I gotta use it, bro. I really have to use it, chat. Hold on, right quick. I gotta cover my chat. Let me use. I'm gonna cover my mic up with this black thing. Let me go use it real quick. Cause y'all nosy people. Chat, y'all some nosy posy people. Hold on, chat. I gotta use it, chat. We're coming back to reality. We coming back to reality. We coming back. We coming back to reality. Hey, we coming. We back. We back, chat. That was good.
Wait, Rainy.
I didn't wash my hands.
Rainy, your screen.
Rainy,
What's up?
Rainy.
What's up?
Yo,
Rainy, your screen.
Bro, you better have a prom drink. Bro got a prom drink. Bro has a prom
I got
drink,
the
bro.
blueberry one.
L Kid. Everybody comment L Kid in the chat. L Kid. L Kid. That's an L Kid.
Rainy, I'm gonna try again.
Rainy.
L Kid, bro. L Kid, chat. L Kid.
Rainy, I'm finna try again.
Let's see you try again, bro. Let's go. Let's try again. Try one more time, bro. Let me give you a chance to redeem yourself, man.
Set up my phone.
All right, bro.
Rainy.
What are you talking about?
Everybody spam sound effects on this kids. Yeah. Hey, watch me on the TV too, you dope. Hey. Okay. What is this dude doing?
Why is y'all only hitting?
Rainy.
Oh, chicken. No, bigger. That's what he's saying. Bigger. Chill out, bro.
This dude's got the moves.
Chill out. Who's saying that on my chat, bro? Y'all can't do that. Y'all messing my stuff up, bro.
Y'all can be
14 minutes. 14 minutes.
You can't talk like that on my stream. You're gonna be permanently banned on my channel for just saying that.
Bro, you only got like 10 minutes.
Rainy.
What's up, bro? L in the stream.
Rainy, I want to do my dance, but I don't want to show my face.
Cause it's
Oh, you want to show
coming
your
soon.
face? Boy, showing the prom
Because
drink.
I don't want anyone
It's
to
in
look
15
at me.
minutes, bro. 15
Bro,
minutes, Rainy.
y'all know that's the worst drink? That's the worst drink. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna have to not show I'm gonna have to turn up the cam for that.
Yo, it tastes like soup.
Rainy, there's 14 minutes.
14 minutes. 14
Rainy, I
minutes.
don't want to show my face because
You don't have to show your face, bro.
when I got a
But the
lot
thing
of
is, I'm gonna tell you this, bro. The thing is this, bro. This is the thing, bro. Who's playing Michael Jackson, bro?
Not me. Oh, we're
Rainy.
Do y'all even know who Michael Jackson is? Y'all even know who Michael Jackson is?
Rainy.
If you don't know
I'm gonna hit him.
you are not
I get hated.
taught well. You don't know Michael Jackson.
Hey,
If you don't know Michael Jackson, something's wrong with you, bro. Bro, this dude with the shirt off, bro. I'm
I want to show my face because a lot of
I can't today, bro.
most people-
I
one time
can't today,
and I
bro.
showed my face
myself.
and I got a lot of hate.
I can't today, bro. It's making me mad, shit. Bro, turn y'all cameras off, bro. Should make me mad, bro. Turn y'all freaking cameras off, bro. Turn y'all cameras off, chat. These kids are like, prom tastes awful because it's an energy drink you have to drink. Try first, then drink. Bro, that drink is terrible. Everybody comment L prom in the comments, bro. That's the worst drink in mankind history, bro. Like, that's the worst drink ever, bro. It's not healthy for kids. Like, if you're not of an age of my age, it's not good for your heart. Worst drink that ever been made in mankind history, bro. Like, I'm not even laughing. I'm being so serious, bro. I'm being so serious right now. I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make it bigger this time. I usually don't make the video big, but I'm gonna make it big for this reaction only. For this skippity toilet, I'm gonna make it big. This is good for the reaction. Like, should it be this big? I'm gonna make it this big for the skippity toilet reaction. It's gonna be this big. This big. This W of view. Everybody comment W view or L view. Like, is this good to make it this big for the reaction, or make it bigger, chat? Bigger, or this good? Like this big? This big right here. Nah, this big right here is good, chat. Yeah, that's big. That's a good enough, chat. Y'all know I'm not reacting to it on live stream. I'm just letting y'all know that. I'm not reacting to it on live stream. I'm gonna react to it. I'm gonna post it regular and I'm gonna premiere it. I'm just letting y'all know. For some of the kids who don't know that. That's for the people who's new to my channel who don't know that I post it regular. Are you excited, bro? Am I excited? Heck yes, I'm excited. Why would I not be? It's only right to be excited. I've been sure for so long, bro. I'm streamed out. I've been sure for so long, bro. I've been sure for so long, bro. I'm streamed out. Y'all know what stream? 11 more minutes. And we got 11 more minutes. We got 11 more minutes. We got 11 minutes. Man, we got 11 more minutes. We got 11 more minutes. Do y'all understand how long I've been doing YouTube videos, bro? I've been doing YouTube videos for a long time. I always say this all the time. Like, I really have. Like, imagine if I just stopped making videos a long time ago when people told me not to do them. I would not be on the stream right now. You're lagging? I'm not lagging. Just my chat is lagging. Holy lag. Bro, I'm not lagging. It's my stream is lagging, bro. Chill out. Chill out, bro. It's my body lagging, or it's just like lag? It's back. Okay, it's back then. Everybody hit that subscribe button and stream. I say hit the like button and stream. That don't even make sense, chat. Pew. 10 more minutes, chat. We got 10 more minutes, chat. 10 more minutes, chat. Everybody subscribe to my channel if you're brand new. And everybody, I'm making people mods who subscribe to the channel. Look, we almost at 123,000 subscribers, bro. Let's get it, bro. My goal for the end of this month at least to be at 130,000 to 140,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's my goal for the end of this month. So everybody subscribe, bro. If I get 140,000 by the end of this month, that's crazy. I'm going to cry. I'm literally going to tear it up. Enjoy, y'all. Y'all don't never donate to me. Y'all don't even donate $1 to Rainy, bro. That's crazy. Y'all don't even donate $1. Who's a donator? Imagine just going on stream, just ask for donation. That's crazy. I would never do nothing like that. That's crazy. I don't know how y'all can even donate to people. Like, how do y'all even afford? Like, do y'all even have money to donate? Like, I don't even get how y'all even donate to y'all YouTubers. Favorite YouTubers. That don't even make sense. How? Y'all don't have a card. If you even got a credit card or something's wrong with you. You only like 10 years old with a credit card. It's crazy. How? How did your parents even let you get a card? Like, I don't get it. Unless you just stole your parents' card or something. Like, I don't get it, y'all. Police, I swear to God. Police, police. Open up, police, police, police. Hi, everybody new to the channel. I'm making everybody mods who's new to the channel. Make it to 123,000 subscribers, bro. We got to, bro. I'm going to pin you. I like that comment, bro. I'm going to pin you. Let's make it to 123,000 subscribers, chat. Let's get it. Before the new Skippity Toilet drops, let's get 123,000 subscribers. And we only got 8 more minutes till it drops. I'm 100% going to be the first react. 100%. I already got my thumbnail ready and all that, bro. I already know what my title going to be, too. My title is going to be... I can't even tell y'all the title. Bro, these kids are crazy, ain't they? The kids are crazy in the chat. It's going to say Skippy Toilet 65 reaction, but at the beginning, I'm going to put something crazy. What should I put in my title? Because y'all W kids, bro. Y'all kids are actually smart. It's going to be Titans versus... What else? What I'm going to put? Y'all already know what I'm finna say. G-Man versus Titan. That's crazy title. Who want Titan TV Man to come? I'm looking at the comments. What people are saying. Hey, I did make a comment, though. Y'all could like it, though, if y'all want to. I we lit. Hey, this is finna be a fight, bro. This is finna be what people are saying. What people are saying. Hey, I did make a comment, though. Y'all could like it, though, if y'all want to. I comment on the Skippity Toilet thing. This man got 200,000 people waiting on, bro. No lag, bro. I was lagging, bro. Why does it keep cutting off? Bro, what is wrong? I was lagging. No lag. Sometimes I like Titan Duo versus Geo Duo. Oh, that's a fire title, bro. Titan Duo versus Geo Duo. Duo. That's fire. Big lag. I don't know why is it lagging so hard. That's an L. Everybody comment L ad. Lag. I said ad. Lag. That was L. Why am I lagging so hard, chat? I swear to no simping for speaker woman. Oh yeah, no speaker woman, no simping, bro. We don't do that in stream. Yo, Rainy, I sub and I want to make a membership, please. Hey, bro, I should put super disconnected, reconnecting, bro. What is going on, chat? Why is it lagging so much, bro? I think it's gonna break the internet, chat. It's literally gonna break the internet. That's why it's lagging so hard. I gotta get off that page, bro. That's what it is. It drops soon, bro. I gotta get off that page. That's why I was lagging. I promise that's the only reason why I was lagging, because I was on that page. Now it's green now. I had to stay off that page. It was lagging. Bro, we got 4 more minutes, chat. I'm finna end the stream soon, and I'm about to post a reaction, bro. So hit the like button, subscribe. Bro, let's go, bro. This is finna be a lit video, chat. Everybody saying the Titans, they want the Titans to win, bro. I'm Team Titan. I'm Team Titans. Who will win, bro? We got 4 more minutes, chat. 3 more minutes coming up. 3 more minutes? I gotta end the stream, though. I'm just letting y'all know I gotta end the stream. Because I had to post the video regular. That boy put 4 minutes with the money tongue out like that. What is wrong with you, bro? The legends are waiting. Bro, this is crazy. This man already got 200,000 people waiting on the video to drop. Let's go, chat. W Rainy, bro. Everybody comment W. Who's gonna watch my reaction? I want y'all to spam Titan Gang on my new reaction once it drops. I want y'all to spam it. And I want you gonna be the first comment. Who's gonna be the first comment on my reaction when I drop it on my channel? We got 3 more minutes left, bro. 3 more minutes, chat. You said me? Y'all said me? Who's gonna be the first comment? Yeah, I'm not talking about on stream. Y'all gotta comment that on a new video once I drop the reaction. I'm finna drop it. Let's go, bro. This episode finna be long as crap. This not no part. This is gonna be the longest episode. It's gonna be like 5 minutes, chat. I promise you this. It's gonna be long as crap. Like, I literally know this episode's finna be long. This episode is about to be like a movie. Imagine this episode was 20 minutes. That would be crazy. 20-minute episode. We got 3 more minutes, chat. I'm scared. I'm getting like goosebumps right now. I'm literally getting goosebumps. I'm literally scared, bro. I'm getting goosebumps, chat. I'm really getting goosebumps. 2 more minutes, chat. Subscribe to my channel if you want to become mod. Subscribe if you want to become mod. 60 seconds? Okay, guys. I love you guys. Y'all are very beautiful people, bro. Y'all the best people ever, bro. We got 60 seconds left. I'm about to end the stream so I can get this video set up. Left. I'm about to end the stream. Man, we got episode 60 left. I'm about to end the stream so I can get this video set up. Stop missing once it drops. I want y'all to let me use. I'm gonna cover it. In order for you to be mine, you have to hit the like button and you must subscribe to the channel, chat. You must subscribe if you want to be mine. It's only right. It's only how you gonna be